Hello there, this is going to be a quick little video for our on-premise clients, specifically for the IPM program for backing up the database. Very similar to the Estimator video that was posted a little bit ago, so we'll just go over that right now. So we have the IPM open here. We're going to come up to the Utilities menu, then hit Backup, then Backup Database. Review this information, we'll hit Close there. So we can name our database, we can write a description if we want, such as when it was backed up, etc. The destination is very important to make sure that you do not lose the backup file. Then we have two overwrite options. Append is going to create a separate new document, and overwrite is going to be overwriting the latest backup that we have. So we're going to go with append and hit start. Okay, and once that's done, we can come into our documents, and I chose to save mine to the downloads folder. So we go into downloads, and this is going to be our file right here. So if you need to send this to support or anything like that in terms of if you happen to be moving to the cloud or just for security reasons, this would be how you do it. We hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.